Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. Looks like I got a CSX train here at Dorval around 4:45 p.m. The 4th of March, 2024. A lot of double stacks on this one. And it's been a while since I've seen the CSX train here on CN 327. You're in low light. Only got a couple of days to go until we're into daylight savings time here in Montreal. Finally, we're coming out of the long dark winter with a warm spring-like day here in Montreal. Press center, flat car, but no load. Here on Monday afternoon, just before the rush hour. And the end of the train is coming. Here it is. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.